Stuck spending hours designing apps, websites, or marketing campaigns? Claude Design just changed everything for creators and marketers. After watching this, you'll be able to leverage Claude Design to rapidly prototype applications, design professional presentations, and generate high-quality marketing content, drastically cutting down your design time. The problem: why this matters. Manual design processes are slow and require specialized skills. Most AI tools struggle with detailed visual design, leaving a gap. Claude Design now bridges this gap, allowing non-designers and designers to create complex visuals with simple prompts. Getting set up. You need a Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise subscription to Claude from Anthropic. Access Claude Design via the Research Preview in your Claude workspace. Gotcha! Ensure your initial prompts are highly descriptive. AI thrives on clear input. Core technique. Step by step. App prototyping. Step 1. Write a detailed brief for your app or website prototype, specifying features, user flow, and target audience. Step 2. Instruct Claude to generate a visual design and functional prototype based on your brief. Key variable. Iterate by asking Claude to refine specific UI elements, color schemes, or user interactions. Advanced tips and variations. Marketing and presentations. Power user. Use Claude Design to generate entire marketing campaign assets, including ad copy and visual concepts, from a single product description. Power user 2. Paste presentation outline text into Claude and ask it to design a modern, engaging slide deck for instant results. Combination. Export generated design concepts and use them as a starting point in dedicated design software for final polish. Real-world results. Concrete example. Show a brief for a task management app and the resulting Claude Design prototype generated in minutes. Dramatically reduce the time from idea to initial visual concept, from days to mere minutes. Use cases: rapid MVPs for startups, convincing client pitches, engaging internal presentations, social media campaign visuals. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.